Okay, we're here at the ag department. We took a break working on the 435 John Deere to figure out what's wrong with this 6600 Ford. It was popping back to the intake, and we got the valve cover off, and we see a few things. This one here has got at least a ½ inch gap. This one's a quarter. Better. That one's excessive. But this one here, there's a problem. The push rod's out of the rocker arm, and it's holding the valve open. So imagine that's where our noise is coming from. So we're going to investigate here a little more, and we'll be right back with you. Okay, we got the valve cover off here. I don't know if you can see it, but look at the clearance on this thing. This push rod back here was wedged between the ball on the rocker and the side, holding the valve open, giving us that horrible noise that you heard in the first part of the video. But all the valves are got a ½ inch or more gap because of no service. Last time this was serviced was 20 years ago, other than oil changes. So we're going to adjust the valves and see if that fixes it, and we'll be back. Yep. Okay, we got it all fixed. That was the problem. It didn't seem to do any damage to the engine. Just lack of maintenance on this thing. He's going to go back in the field tomorrow morning. It is April 19th, 2020. So that was an easy fix. Talk to you later.